Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to invite friends on Revolut. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up your Revolut application and log into your account. So I'm just logging into mine. Okay, so once you have logged into your account, so what are you going to do if you want to invite someone? So all you have to do here is click on your top left profile here. Just click on it. So once you click on it, underneath your name here, you will see an option called invite friends. Simply hit on invite friends. So now what you have to do is you go to invite your friends. So so in order to do that, there's an option called invite friends below down here. So click on invite friends. Okay. And then you can let Revolut access your contacts if you want to. You can enable the permission here, or else what you can do, you can simply click on share link, and then you can just share the link through any of your social media or any platform here, using any platform, to your friends, whoever you want to. So in that way you can share the invite link to them. So once they receive the link, all they have to do is they just have to click on your invite link and then join Revolut, and you can get your rewards once they join and fulfill the criteria. So that's pretty much it is. So hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.